taken one egg, taken another egg. You must be wondering what we are making. We are making a yummy, delicious besan mithai. For this, we need 2 eggs, we need half cup milk, and we need 1 cup sugar. We are going to mix it. Whisker is needed. Once it is mixed, we are going to keep it at the side, and we'll make the we are going to actually roast the main ingredient, that is gram flour in pure ghee. It's done. We are going to keep it at the side. So guys, now we are going to add 1 cup of gram flour. I am in a habit of sieving it. I changed my sieve. This one is easier, and I forgot that I have this one with handle. It's much more easier, really short, so can move it around this pot easily. Leave it. So now you have this gram flour. We are going to roast it now. So guys, lit the stove and we have this gram flour. We are quickly going to add 3/4 cup of pure ghee in it. And we are going to mix it. Come here. You can come and help me with mixing. No, it is not safe for my mobile to actually bring it closer to the pot because already it's too hot here in Pakistan. So I need to take care. I am making my video. Uh, no. You put it here. So my son is helping me, and this is the way we share a strong bond with each other. So keep it here on the stove.
You can make this dish, sweet dish
for dinner.
For dinner.
We are actually making it for our papa. We here, my son, my husband loves it, and so Safi, my son, is helping me in making this.
And I'm a 5-star chef.
You're a 5-star chef. Wow.
Now.
So guys, we will keep stirring it until the aroma comes, and then that would be the sign to add our mixture which we kept aside. The mixture of sugar, milk, and egg. There were 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and half cup of milk. So 3 things were there, and they were kept aside. I can show you also. They are still here. Okay, kept aside. We are waiting for this gram flour to get roasted well and actually fried in pure ghee. See, it's bubbling. You can see it's bubbling, but still the aroma, I cannot smell it. So I'm continuously stirring it. Cannot leave it. If you leave it, it might stick to the bottom, and I don't want that. So I wanted to give 5 more minutes. I think it will take, and not exactly 5, 3 to 4 minutes, and it will be done. And it's going to change its color also. The silicone spoon, spatula or spoon, it's great to deal with this thing where you need to check the bottom again and again. See, how am I checking the bottom? It becomes easier to pen out, dish out this thing. With 2 hands, I'm whisking this egg and sugar and milk mixture, and here I'm stirring this gram flour with pure ghee. I'm whisking both of them together to save time, and I don't want that once my this gram flour mixture is ready, sugar is not completely dissolved, and I take time in dissolving it and it stick down. I don't want that. That's why I'm stirring both of them together. So now I think this is the time to add egg, sugar and milk mixture in. Roasted gram. I'm quickly adding it slowly and gradually. You can see this bubbling foam rising, and now I've added this whole thing, stirring it, stirring it, stirring it. stirring this whole mixture nicely. Actually, it's the game of stirring it. You stir it and you will get that consistency in this halwa. Whatever sugar is left, I'll be taking it and we'll add that also. It's been added now, keeping it at the side, and now showing you how it's going to reach the end result. It still need, I think, 5 minutes of stirring. So you keep stirring it. If you have leftover malai, or if you have cream, you can add it. You know what it will do? That malai and all will dissolve in this halwa very nicely. Oh God, don't ask me. I'm sweating and actually I'm dripping. My sweat is dripping. But still, for your loved ones, you do extra efforts. So guys, when you find that the halwa is leaving the base, this is the time to dish it out and it shows it's ready. So guys, see, my halwa is ready. I've taken out into 2 same dishes and it's done.